Yeah, there's many ways of starting a fire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use now the alcohol-free, castle-free plastic bag where the 6 beers came in. Just going to tie it around a bundle of twigs and so forth. Just going to make a little bush of it, and then I'm just going to use that to actually start a fire. As you can see, it is alight now, so I'm just going to allow that to burn and then start a fire with whatever I've got available. That's one of the things that you should be able to do as a survivalist or a prepper, is to make use of anything and everything that you can find to do different things. And Melissa agrees with me. She fully agrees and is ready to attack anyone that disagrees with me, so be careful.